I think this is one of those moments where you realize you screwed up. I was mowing, you can see it slid, would back up, it slid some more. Needless to say, she's stuck. And yeah, needless to say, I'm stuck. So let's get her unstuck. Well, we managed to get her unstuck. All I did was right strap right there to that little hoop, right strap to that little hole, pulled her right out. Let's just say we're going to leave this out in case I do it again. Bye-bye. Wouldn't you know, less than 10 seconds later, after you quit videotaping, it happens again. So let's take the old Honda and get her unstuck. Okay, this time we're just going to hook right there. Do have her in four-wheel drive. Let's just say, needless to say, I figured I'm not going to do that again. Let's just say we're not going to get towards the bottom of the freaking ditch. And here's a random dog that walked down the road. Don't know how far he made it up towards town, but he went a ways up. Now he's going back home, I guess.